The Sony WUXGA 6400LM laser projector represents a significant leap in projection technology, combining unmatched brightness, precise image quality, and robust design to deliver a professional viewing experience in any environment. Whether it's for a corporate boardroom, a classroom, an auditorium, or a premium home theater, this projector offers clarity, detail, and reliability that make it stand out in its class. At the heart of the projector is its WUXGA resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, providing a taller image compared to standard Full HD. This extra vertical space is perfect for presentations with complex data, detailed charts, or immersive video content. Paired with an incredible 6,400 lumens of brightness, it ensures that visuals remain crisp and vibrant even in spaces with substantial ambient light. Images remain sharp, colors stay true, and text is readable from anywhere in the room. One of the standout features is the laser light source. Unlike traditional lamp-based projectors, the laser system offers up to 20,000 hours of consistent performance without the need for replacements. This ensures stable brightness, reduced maintenance costs, and minimal downtime. The laser turns on instantly, providing immediate full brightness and eliminating warm-up delays, making it ideal for environments where time and reliability matter. Color accuracy and image consistency are another area where this projector excels. Using advanced 3 LCD technology, it reproduces colors naturally while maintaining deep blacks and clean whites. Motion is smooth, gradients are precise, and visuals feel true to life, whether you are delivering a presentation or watching high-definition video content. Every frame looks polished and cinematic. Connectivity options are comprehensive. With multiple HDMI, DVI, and HD-based T-ports, it can interface with virtually any device, from laptops and media players to professional AV systems. Network management via LAN makes it simple to control and monitor the projector remotely, a valuable feature for classrooms, conference halls, and corporate environments. Installation is straightforward and highly flexible. Lens shift and keystone correction allow it to be mounted on ceilings, placed on tables, or positioned off-center while still producing a perfectly aligned image. The cooling system is quiet yet effective, ensuring stable performance during long presentations or movie marathons without disruptive fan noise. The design itself is understated yet professional, with a clean, modern aesthetic that blends into any environment. It's built to be durable and efficient, offering a premium feel without being cumbersome. Sony's focus on both form and function makes it not only a powerful device but also a visually appealing addition to any space. Performance-wise, the projector consistently delivers impressive results. Text remains sharp, images are vibrant, and brightness stays uniform throughout extended use. The laser illumination guarantees that the quality you see in the first minute is the same as what you'll get years later, making it a dependable choice for high-stakes professional or entertainment setups. Overall, the Sony WUXGA 6400LM laser projector is a professional-grade device built for those who demand high performance and reliable visual quality. It excels in every area, from brightness and color reproduction to connectivity and installation flexibility, making it suitable for both professional and personal use. Its combination of durability, technology, and image quality sets a new standard for what a projector can deliver. If you want to buy this Sony WUXGA 6400LM laser projector, then please visit the link provided in the description.